was not trying to, I guess I'm just...
Your story doesn't make sense, man. But, I'll take your word for it, whatever. It's just kind of weird, right? Think of it from my perspective, from what she told me. And now I've heard what you told me, and it just doesn't add up. She didn't call us about anyone else bothering her. She said nothing was wrong in there. And then you followed her out and asked her for a favor and that kind of stuff.
Well, because I was getting a lot of aggressive behavior from some dudes that they were saying they were asking. And they tried to jump me right there in front of
so why didn't you call police, man?
Why didn't I call?
Yeah.
I guess a lady inside this restaurant called about him harassing her and
I was
standing out there waiting for her.
Oh no, this is a handout for kickboxing because so it's great because
Basically, this dude was harassing an employee at the store and was refusing to leave.
Well, the reason why was because the woman asked me, "Do you want a new phone?" And I was like, "Yeah, I kind of need a new phone." And then one of the guys grabbed my phone. Can I pull my phone out? Show you. One of you guys pulled my phone out and threw it. Look at my phone. So I jacked up.
Hey, bro, your birthday's 1/23/80, right?
Yeah. So that's why I was like,
what's your phone number?
619-822-7145. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I did until maybe a week ago where my girlfriend, she kind of kicked me out because she
Alright, where are you standing now? Where are you standing now?
I stay
Where you're at City Heights?
Because she told me to come check up on her.
When someone takes that long to tell me what they're doing, usually they're making it up or
well, see, the thing is that
something like that.
okay, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah.
She tells me don't ever leave me. If I tell you to leave, just leave. But don't ever leave me forever. So I already know what I have to do. And
So you're back here trying to see a girl?
Yeah. Because of the way that strangers that she doesn't know or people that pass by, she feels she's just
Here's the deal, okay? I'm just gonna write down your info and you'll be free to go. But in the future, if you think someone's actually being harassed and needs to call 911, don't put yourself in a situation that might make you look like you're stalking someone or doing something weird. Because people will call us because then they'll be afraid of you. Does that make sense?
It's right by El Super on
next time if I
4400 University.
Like that, to call 911 right away instead of trying to.
Yeah, if you think someone's actually in danger or something.
I think he was already sitting there.
Why you thought?
Well,
So I guess an employee called, said this guy was harassing her and waiting outside for her. He's claiming he was looking out for her.
You're making it up. Everyone in there said nothing was on
the only thing that I saw that was aggressive was when one customer went in there and was like something, bitch, bust out, whatever. They locked her in there. That guy was.
Well, she left the door behind herself. She did it. Yeah. Chasing through the parking lot.
You want to change the story or?
The story that I'm saying is what I feel happened. I was not in anything. I never asked her for anything. All I said.
You told me earlier that you asked her.
Yeah, I said, can I ask you a question? I never freaking physical or anything like that.
Here you go, okay? You might get a... Have a good day, okay? Alright.
Okay, you can ask questions.
All open liquor?
It's fine, man. It's not open. Alright.
End is. Motherfucker always asks us when we're gonna do a ride along. When you gonna do a ride along with Copwatch, man? You should do a ride along with us.
That's a good idea. You ride along with me and I ride along with you.
I don't know.
Come on, man.
First with us, man. We don't make you sign no waiver, man.
We can both learn each other from each other.
Oh, we know enough.
Yeah, we know enough.
It's okay.
I think it would benefit both of you.
It's not going to benefit us.
We will.
Alright.
Alright, yeah, that fool's always telling us to do ride along, so I told him to do a ride along with us.